Right, this is part 2 because I accidentally stopped it then when I was tightening it up, the camera. So, part 2. That was Straven to Stonehouse. That was Straven to Stonehouse, right? This is Stonehouse to Glasgow City. You want to see Straven to Stonehouse? See Stonehouse. The main Stonehouse is down that way somewhere. So it seems like we went round the edge of it. But if you want to see straight to Stonehouse, have a watch of this previous video. This is, like I say, just Stonehouse to Glasgow. Impatient people. I mean, I'm virtually going to the speed limit. The amount of people are on my backside. Highway maintenance especially. I mean, I don't have to go any faster. I'm going to the speed limit. They're right up behind me, and it's so damp. Well, it's not damp. It's been chucking it down. Slippery roads. They just want me to go faster. I'm not going faster. Maximum speed limit, isn't it? Not minimum, but these other flipping drivers think it's a minimum speed limit. Anyway, enough of that moaning. What do you think about the scarecrow in the field? He got a new job. Oh, hang on, before I tell you that. That's Stonehouse down that way, the actual village bit, but you can't see it. It was down to my right. I'm going to pull in here because this idiot's annoying me behind. Yeah. My mate got a new job as a scarecrow. It was a standout. I can't think of the joke now. It was a standout in his field. That was it. Oh dear. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could put my foot down and lose this idiot behind. I'm in a Tesla. But then, I'll be breaking the speed limit, and I'll be putting my life in danger and other people's. So, they can all sod off. You can overtake me on the motorway. Sure it'll be. Oh, there he goes. Oh, well done. Give me a flash. Say well done. Look at that. It's a taxi driver. It's a flipping private hire driver. Oh, in a rush to get his next £4 fare. Right, let's get on the motorway. All you motorway lovers. Especially overtaking lorries, because it keeps where it's meant to be. Well, so do I, but you know, it gives you a helping hand. A lot of lorries. What time is it? A lot of lorries. M&H Logistics. M2. I think this one is as well. Oh, let's slow down a little bit. Coming up. spots me, just let me know. And I'll give you a shout out. I don't think that'll be happening anytime soon. Yeah, let's get back. Where are we? We're on the N74, obviously. Just go past Larkhall services on our left. Go in there and get ripped off at McDonald's if you want. So all the charging stations which are a rip off at these places, as well as anywhere else apart from Tesla ones. The only reasonably priced ones there is. If you're charged from home, it's even cheaper. I pay £30 a month to charge with Octopus. I charge every day because of my job, which means it costs me on average £1 per day to charge my car. And that £1 per day will get me 270 miles. Some people slag my car off, slag electric off. But prices like that, I think I'm getting the last laugh. BMW actually bumped into someone else along the motorway. Must have been speeding, I guess. Sliding. I mean, I don't know, but there was cones on one side. It was in the cones. On the other side of the cones where the roadworks were. It was lucky there's no actual road workers that up there. Oh yeah, it's sad news today. A road accident. Showed it with Jota, Diogo Jota and his brother. Very sad news. They died in a car crash. What I read, I don't know if this is certain or not, what I read is going to overtake a lorry or a bus or something and got a punch and lost control. I mean, don't take that gospel because it might be something totally different, but that's what I've heard up to now. Very sad, regardless of how it happens. Oh dear, that's somber notes. Right, so this turn off Junction 5 takes you to Coe Bridge, Bellshill, East Kilbride and Edinburgh. Edinburgh's the opposite way, but I suppose it will get on it somehow. And Scotland's theme park, that's M&D's. We'll go past M&D's. Oh yeah, Edinburgh's M8 that way. So we'll go past M&D's, Strathclyde Country Park. Yeah, me. Well, my car helps me there, my autopilot that helps me. We had a little helping hand overtaking that lorry, all the water spray everywhere. enjoying these videos, let me know, and also if you could have a look at a couple of other videos, it would be greatly appreciated. There's videos from Japan, Philippines, Thailand, Scotland, England. Some embarrassing ones I did in Portugal when I was first vlogging. It was embarrassing because I've been top off at the beach. I think I might have actually took that one down, it's so bad. I'm not actually sure. Where else? Where else? I can't remember. But I'm going to China in April. I need doing a trip there. I need 2 more people on this trip to join us, then it'll be a confirmed trip. And then for Christmas I'm going to Japan, have a KFC Christmas dinner tradition in Japan. So I'm going to have that Christmas Day. So I'll go with a family to there. And then New Year, also with a family, I'm going to Philippines. Then I come back for a bit and might be going to China in April, like I said, depends if it goes ahead into bookings. If not, so I won't be going there, and I should be going to Thailand in July with my son Kieran, because it's his 30th birthday, and he wants my car's beeping. I've got over the line, so I don't think I was, but was I? I'll see in the video, I guess. Yes, my son's 30th birthday. I think, I'm not sure, it might be my 60th. No, I don't think it will be. I don't know how old I am anymore. You get to that age, you just don't know. You start even forgetting your own age. So that's next year's vacations / holidays. I say vacations first, but it's Independence Day today. So you're going to mention the American way. Behind him, but it's one light missing, and yeah, I don't want to get behind him, so I shall get in front of him. There we go. So this is turn off. This is what you call the M73. It links a couple of motorways together. M74, M8, and this is where you turn off for the city centre. Go straight on, you do another turn off for Edinburgh or Glasgow East, or you carry on and you go to Stirling, which we're not doing. We're going to join the M8 West. Doesn't seem like it's behind me, trying to overtake me now. Weird. Anyway, doesn't matter. Yes, I'm going into the city centre area. Maybe I get some work. I'll have to cut it short because I'm obviously not allowed to film work because I'm not actually working now, but you know, if I start I'll just cut the video short. If not, I shall carry on to the city centre. Welcome to Scotland. The weather I'm talking about. We've got the auction, no it's not the auction, you won't know the auction yet. The auction will be on our left. The prison's actually on our left. Auction's so quite away yet. The prison's pretty soon, I think. Oh, the highway maintenance driver in front of me. I expected. I don't really see them very often unless they're overtaking me or behind me because they're normally going too quick for me to see them. But yeah, this one's actually sticking to the speed limit. He's actually going 2 miles an hour below the speed limit. That's how I can overtake him because I'm going 70. fast. Oh, somebody broke down there. I thought they're actually having a pee right now. And the only time these highway maintenance are not fast is when they're actually working. Roadworks take forever around here. M8 Kingston Bridge has been shot for 5 years now doing roadworks below. I know it's a big job, but 5 years. They've got to build a new bridge over the top of it. We'll get the Japanese or Chinese or whatever that's come here and sort of flipping build a bridge for us. Oh, don't get me started. Yes. So another 8 minutes or so, 5 minutes even, we shall be hitting the beginning of Glasgow city centre, the Merchant City area. We're going down to 60 now from the 70. Then once you hit the Glasgow area, even though it's a motorway, it all goes down to 50 all the way, and all the way up to Duke of Wellington basically on the motorway, 3 lanes goes to 50. So that's why. Anyway, I don't mind. Just wish people would keep overtaking me real good. What are you meant to do? I mean, they don't just overtake me, they overtake me and go mad with me because I'm sticking to the speed limit. Oh, anyway, this is a junction 12, it's the steps. You want to go to steps? Ready? Just go off there. Library. You want to go watch Celtic? Go off this one, Arcade. Blockhead. If not, just carry on. Carry on regardless. Carry on regardless. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'll carry on regardless. See, I won't get copyrighted because I'm out of tune. So I can sing to my heart's content. Oh, there's this crash over at Earpump. I don't see on this camera. It's over to your right. Remember I mentioned a crash earlier on? Well, that's where it happened. It looks like the big lorry is there taking... No, it's a robot lorry. Well, the crash has all been cleared away now. That's good. Right, let's get into Merchant City. Coming up, but I'm not going to go that way. There's a Hyundai. We've got a Tesla, but you can't really see Tesla from the motorway. You can see the sign if you're looking carefully, but they don't need to really advertise because Tesla advertise themselves by just being an awesome car. Yes, I don't even mind if you comment how terrible you think Tesla is, because at least I'll get a comment then. Even though they're not terrible. Yes. So, what time is it? 2:42, and it looks like I'm arrived back into Glasgow. Heading for the Merchant City. This is Stirling Road. I didn't actually know what this road was called. There you go, Stirling Road. I'll head to Stirling the opposite direction. Let's stop these windscreen wipers. I'm on auto. Don't know why I never had a motor to start with, to be honest. Where should I go? Where should I go? Let's go to... I don't know where to go. Just drive around here. I'm going near, just along Strathclyde, Glasgow University. One of them. Over here is a university of Strathclyde. Over this side. Well, both sides. Both sides. City of Glasgow College on my right. See, that's what I thought that was, uni. So it's a uni and a college. Let's go to my left. I'll get over to my left, then I'll stop this video for now, then I'll upload it when I get in. Hopefully you'll have it tomorrow. If you're listening to this, that doesn't make any sense. Because you just watched it. In front, you see that student accommodation? There's a bar at the top. I don't know if you can see them lights at the bar at the top on your right in front. And then them lights, but that's a bar. I don't know how busy. I don't think it'll get very busy, to be honest. I don't think anyone can just use it. Well, they can't. You've got to stay there, I guess, or be invited by someone who's there. I'm just surmising. There's the old NCP car park. One of them. Premier Inn in front of ours. Pretty dead round here. What time is it? 2:44. Nobody around here at this time of the morning. Well, a little bit further there could be, especially at 3 o'clock. There's a few places shut at 3 o'clock. Yes. These lights are on timers, not sensors. That's why I'm sitting here like an idiot. That's not too long, that one, for once. So got it halfway. Let's go, I don't know where to show you. Let's go down here. I'll show you what you see. It's got Greek restaurant down here on the right, but actually I think I saw on this Instagram that it's shut, but it's already shut for a while. Why they refurb it or something. Where is it? Elves. There it is. But it looks open. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it wasn't that one. It looks pretty open. There's food in it. Yeah. No, it's not shut. Ignore me. It must be a different Greek restaurant. It's shut. This is very popular. It's Grace's Battery on the left-hand side. There it is, that one there. This isn't normally on. Oh, just got through there, just got through. And on my right, very left, very popular again, Pateco and Maggie's. Yeah, it's not too popular right now, is it? But it does get busy, honest. Nowhere is busy right now. Where is everybody? Let's try and head to the Four Corners, maybe. It'll be busy there. Everyone's getting their late night snacks of Taco Bell, KFC, McDonald's, and Tim Hortons is on the other corner, but Tim Hortons is shut. The other three are open. Oh, Pizza Hut, that's on one corner, that's shut as well. Taco Bell's actually on the corner, it's just close to it. Which seems very popular, and I don't know why. See when someone comes in the car, go Taco Bell, oh, stinking. These lights can take up forever, normally. Now, in front of us, you'll see the Duke of Wellington statue. It's always got a cone on its head, a traffic cone on its head. You'll see it. You buy souvenirs with pictures of it, traffic cone on its head. They come along to take it off, the council or whatever, then as soon as they take it off, it's back on again. I don't know why they bother taking it off. I don't know if you can actually see it very well on me driving like this. But there it is, straight in front of us, in front of the art gallery. Gallery of Modern Art, whatever you call it. You know, they're getting blown away with the umbrellas. Mary Poppins there. The lagoon on the left. Barbarito on the right. And here's a popular pub, which is, what's that pub called again? Counting House, that's it. It's a Weatherspoons. I couldn't remember what the flipping pub was called then. I'll carry on driving for a bit. I'll carry on filming for a bit. I'll show you Glasgow at night, and a quiet night. Guys, oh, I went there once. It was like a tenner for a meal. I thought, oh, that's too expensive. Never going there again. Then I went to McDonald's like 3 days ago, and it cost me £9.59 for a meal in McDonald's. The big arch. It was a new burger. It was absolutely disgusting. Don't know what you think. I like the steakhouse the other way, but the big arch was horrible. A meal, because I wanted a latte, not a rubbishy coffee. A latte. Big arch meal, medium, and it was £9.59. If it went large, it would have been over a tenner. So it's up the same price as Five Guys now. Well, Five Guys might have gone up, probably gone up low as well. So maybe it's different. Right, let's go down here. So I don't really go to McDonald's that much, but that's going to be even less now. What's he doing? I don't know what he's up to. The police on our right. I think I'll go around to my right actually, and I'll stop recording because it looks quiet down there as well. Right, let's pop in here. Gordon Street. Train station behind us, and I'll say goodbye to now. I'll say goodbye for now. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know. Follow, subscribe, hit that bell, and all that pitch. Bye bye.